Today, I woke up in the mood for Prosecco. And today's not any ordinary day, it's a Tuesday. And in Vegas, any day is a great day to day drink. So sit back and join me as I try to make today a little bit more epic as I teach you how to make this Aperol Spritz. Cheers. Since I already told you I'm in the mood for Prosecco, it goes as no surprise that I'll be using Prosecco for this drink. Typically I use the smaller bottles of Prosecco, but since I don't have any small bottles of Prosecco, I have the big bottle of Prosecco. So I'm probably gonna have to either make more drinks or waste a bunch of Prosecco. Why did I feel like I had to say Prosecco so much? Prosecco. Next, it wouldn't be an Aperol Spritz without using the bottle of Aperol. You can always get around using something like Aperix, but Aperol's kind of the standard when it comes to bittersweet Italian aperitif liqueur. The next ingredient is going to be club soda. I like these small cans because I'm not wasting a full can. Now, if you plan on making a lot of drinks, by all means use a bigger bottle and a bigger can because you're going to get more value as the smaller bottles and cans tend to cost more. And the last thing you'll need is orange slice to use as garnish. Now the tools you need for this drink are pretty simple. Some kind of long stemmed wine glass or ballooned shaped glass, and a long stem spoon because you're gonna make this drink right in the glass, and I like to stir up the ingredients together because I'm gonna be enjoying it right away. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this drink are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the glass and ice about halfway up, I'll be doing the 3-2-1 method as approved by the International Bartenders Association, stated on Aperol's website. And as you know, if it says it on the internet, that probably means it's true. The first thing I'm adding is my 3 parts Prosecco, which really is an imprecise measurement unit that refers to a ratio of ingredients. So I like things to be more precise, so I'll be adding 3 ounces of Prosecco. Next, I'm adding 2 parts of Aperol, which, as I said before, to make this drink consistently measured, I'll be adding 2 ounces. Next, I'm adding my 1 ounce of club soda. I'll want to stir the ingredients together just for a bit with my long stirring spoon. The last thing I need to complete this drink is the slice of orange. That'll be dropping into my glass like so. And there you have it, the refreshingly crisp Italian ritual, the Aperol Spritz. Cheers. So crisp. I hope you enjoyed making this if it was your first time. I know I couldn't forget my first time. I'd love to read in the comments if this was your first time making this drink and what your thoughts on it. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Would you make it again? Let me know. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button as I put out new cocktail videos and shorts each week. And if you made it back to my channel, love making delicious cocktails, and haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Your support means the world to me. And on that delicious note, I'm gonna head to my chair, enjoy this drink, and I hope you do the same. Cheers.